Good day everyone, let me share to you our final project sa networking. As you can see, meron po tayong tatlong branches. Ang primary branch or yung main branch is yung Salvatore City, Suro Torre City, as well as yung Pampanga City, which is the largest one. Under the Salvatore, which is the main branch, you can see po, meron tatlong nakakonect na PC at isang laptop. Then, itong mga devices na nakakonect siya sa isang router na nakakonect sa switch. Then sa ilalim po, which is yung server namin. Then, let's visit naman po yung Suro Torre. Sa Suro Torre City naman po, ay may tatlong devices na nakakonect. Dalawang PC, tsaka isang laptop. Pinagkaiba po dito, although itong tatlong to nakakonect siya sa switch, kaso itong router nakakonect po siya sa Suro Torre, ay sa Salvatore, which is yung main server, which is main branch. And last but not the least, ang Pampanga po, Pampanga City. As you can see, meron po siyang total of 6 devices. 4 PCs at saka dalawang laptop na nakakonect sa isang switch, tapos yung router po namin ganun din, nakakonect siya sa Salvatore na server. Tapos ito po yung logical mode ng namin.
Makikita nyo dito, we use a hub topology. Lahat ng communication between branch go through yung Salvatore HU router. This simply managed it kasi centralized yung control. Network address natin. Bali dun sa Salvatore HU, may 3 PC, 1 laptop, and a server. Habang dun sa Salvatore branch, may 2 PC, isang laptop. Tapos sa Pampanga branch naman, may 4 PC at 2 laptop po. One link natin using serial connection. We use 30 para sa one link kasi 2 IP lang naman kailangan. 1 per each router para mabilis. Why DHCP? We implement centralized DHCP on the HU router so lahat ng PC and laptop automatically makaka-receive ng IP address. No need for manual configuration, time saving, and less error. Why ERGRP? We use ERGP because fast convergence, kapag may failure, mabilis mag-adjust ang router efficiency sa bandwidth. Hindi na send ng buong routing table.
Okay, so in this topic naman, ipapakita ko po yung main router sa HQ natin at yung mga key configuration. So, punta tayo sa mismong CLI ng router na main branch. Salvatore. What we're gonna do is enable it. Salvatore console enable. Salvatore enable. Okay, we are going to show running config. Okay, ayan po yung mga IP DHCP address natin. And next, we are going to show IP DHCP binding. Ito po lahat yung mga 13 devices. Kung ilan po yung mga devices na connect sa mismong lahat ng branches natin. So, what we're gonna type keys are show IP DHCP binding. Ayan, sa 13 po dapat lahat yan. Clients and other hardware address. And next, papakita naman po natin yung show IP with neighbors. Show IP with neighbors. Ayan, ito po yung sa Salvatore and Pampanga branch. Diyan po natin lahat makikita. Dapat po lahat up po sila. So, dito, papakita po natin yung routing table. So, lalagay natin is show IP route. Ayan po. This time, ang gagawin natin naman is ping test. So, pili tayo, any PC. Try natin to. And, papakita natin DHCP na gumagana talaga yung mismong router. Ayan. And next, what we're gonna do is go to command prompt and ilalagay natin yung, i-ping natin yung each router. Bali, 192.168.1. Ayan. Ibig sabihin, gumana siya. Yan po ay sa Salvatore branch. And next, ito naman po ay isang Sorto branch. Wait lang natin. So, Mi1 loss. Ang gagawin natin is uulitin lang. Ayan, dire-diretso na siya. Ibig sabihin may traffic lang sa mismong router. And next is yung pangatlo, which is Pampanga branch. T11. Ayan. Magkita tayo mauturin yan yung first request kasi meron siyang traffic. Pero pag inulit natin 192.168.30.11, gagana siya, tuloy-tuloy na. Next, try natin silang i-reset 2.68.30.11. Dapat tatlo silang lalabas.
And here's the packet flow visualization. First is click this simulation mode, then click add simple PDU, this envelope icon. Bali magsisend po ako ng mail from Salvatore to Pampanga. Then click play button. Bali makikita nyo po yung packet, magsa-start po siya sa PC Salvatore 1, then goes to switch, then goes to router, then travels through one link, tapos po goes to Pampanga router, then goes to Pampanga switch, and finally reaches Pampanga PC1. Tapos yung reply packet po, babalik lang po siya through the same path. Just like that. Then yun po, all successful and no packet loss.
We successfully designed and implemented a network for inter-tower data logistics. Our network provides automatic IP management through DHCP, no manual configuration needed, fast and reliable routing through EIGRP with automatic failover, high availability, less than 5 seconds convergence time, low latency, perfect for any business applications. We choose a logistic company as our example kasi realistic yung setup at madaling i-visualize sa Packet Tracer. The network principles we implemented can be applied to any multi-branch business.
Here's the result of our network performance testing. First, for DHCP, all 13 devices across our network automatically received the correct IP addresses. This confirms that both our centralized and branch DHCP setups are functioning smoothly. And next, for ERGRP routing, all routers in Manila, Pampanga, Salvatore successfully formed a neighbor relationship, learned all available routes. This ensures reliable and seamless communication between all sites. For connectivity, our end-to-end test showed stable connection across our distribution centers with zero packet loss, proving our links are strong and consistent. And for latency, we recorded an average of just 2 to 3 milliseconds, which is extremely fast and far below our 50 ms target. Overall, the network is stable, optimized, and performing exactly as expected.